Good morning, Philippines! We have a surprise for you. We are going to the Philippines.
Look at Grayson. Come here, Grayson.
Come here, Grayson.
Look.
We're so excited.
So excited to see you, Mama. You'll be surprised. You're gonna see your two grandchildren.
Yay.
Hi. Say hi. Say hi,
Hello.
Lola. I'll see you on your birthday.
See you soon.
See you soon. Good job. Say, I'm Filipino. I'm Boricua. Good job. See you soon, Mama. Mwah, 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 mwah. Mama, see you soon. See you. Say hi. The kids. What? Two more hours.
2 more,
2 more hours before our flight. I'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Look, we are here right now in the airport, JFK Jacksonville. Just waiting 2 more hours. Hello, good job. Wow, Grayson, look. Guys, pauwi na kami. We're so excited to see Mama and my whole family. Behave ang mga bata. That's good. Thank you, Lord. Ito na nga at bigla akong nagutom. Just eating Caesar salad right now. Hindi kasi ako masyadong kumakain ng maramihan kapag nasa airport. Gusto ko lang yung light food. Si Willie naman, pizza ang kanyang napagtripan. Aiden is sleeping right now. To see Grayson behave. Bali, ang total ng flight namin is 29 hours. So far, para sa akin, ang experience ko sa flight na with 2 kids, okay naman. At nakamood sila, lagi silang tulog. Kasi ang oras tama lang na nasa US na sakto sleeping time nila. So ito yung food na ibinigay sa amin. 30 hours ang flight niyan. And sana nakamood sila mamaya kasi for sure masakit ang katawan namin yan. Green side mango. That's good.
Oh, wow. Let's go.
You're gonna eat a lot like that.
You should try that.
No, I'd rather go in Philippines. Fresh mango is cool. Ito na ang last flight namin. So, we are in Taipei right now. Alam niyo ba guys, ang ganda ng airport nila dito. Like, kapag fan ka ni Hello Kitty, may mga places na Hello Kitty lahat. Ang nakikita mo pa dito. City store, ganyan. Ito na yung big surprise. We're here in the Philippines. Nasa Pure Gold. Malapit kasi ang event doon. So, yun yung katabi niya lang, Luk Fu. Yan kasi ang favorite nilang place na Chinese food or Filipino food. Pagkain. I'm so nervous.
Right? I'm shaking.
Huh?
Ay!
We're just
Not yet.
waiting here guys for the signal to go inside kasi may program silang sinusunod. So since surprise nga, yun, para mabigla siya kapag sinabi nila na may gustong mag-greet sa kanya sa likod.
Yeah. Just making sure I'm presentable too. Me first?
So eto na nga guys, papasok na kami. I really feel so anxious kasi ang daming tao. Lahat ng family ko halos ay nandito.
Oh, look at that.
At yung ibang friends ni mama, ayun na nga. So nagulat din sila, nakaka-touch, nakaka-overwhelm. Siguro expect us coming. Ayun na nga, si mother ang super iyak. At 6 years din guys bago kami makauwi ng Pilipinas. Kaya
Super touching mother. Ano pa kagaga, masira ka makeup. May nagsunang nail ako yung eyelashes, no?
This is for you, Mama. Oh, her dad. Want me to put that down? How are you? Stop. You look good, huh? How are you?
I'm good.
Hey. Hi. How are you? Good? Hello. Hello. We're finally here.
It's okay. Nice guys, I'm sleeping. How are you now?
I'm good.
I'm surprised.
Good surprise, right? Oh, wait. Let me take a video of them. See?
Oh, they're my sister. You guys want to the attic? Go here?
Yeah?
thank you Lord na safe po kaming nakarating sa aming pamilya sa Pilipinas. And marami pong salamat sa mga kaibigan, pamilya na pumunta po sa celebration ng 60th birthday ni Mama. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin kayo and pasensya na po kung hindi ko po kayo lahat na kausap. Sobrang sakit na po ng pakiramdam namin. At yun nga, si Grayson, masakit din ang kanyang experience siguro kasi hindi siya tumigil na umiyak. Bata pa kasi. First time niya po kasi mag-flight. So, pasensya na po. Ulit kung hindi po namin kayo lahat nakausap. Hi, home sweet home na nga po. At ito po ang kinalakihan ko na bahay sa Pilipinas. I was born and raised in the Philippines. So, ito ang mga pinsan ko sa mother's side at inatid nila kami sa bahay. Once again, thank you so much po, Sarmiento family, kay Auntie Emmy and to my Uncle Ador for picking us up in the airport.